I don't know if all the first days like, or you're excited and you walk because of the excitement, or you simply tired. Oh, difficult day today. Difficult. Me?
Yeah, you. Come here.
I'm recording.
I don't care. Bring it on. Buen camino. Buen camino.
Ciao, thank you for the
Okay.
dance.
I've got better things to do. Oh, to leave
So guys, we are here in this village, Grado. This is the profile of today. This is the highest point of the stage, 300 meters, not so high. And then we will go down and it will be like nice and easy. This is the whole stage, 21 kilometers until Salas, but we are aiming to go after the main stage. Let's see if we can do it. We have a lot of villages that we'll go through, so food and drinks are not a problem on this stage. Let's see how it goes.
Thank you, baby.
I'm quite optimistic because it's 7 o'clock, 7:30 now. So yeah, let's go.
I will see the whole way through today. I've got better things to do. Oh, babe.
Planning to walk Camino Primitivo? Check out the 10 highlights of that Camino in the description below. Click the link and get it delivered straight to your inbox. Hey. Hello, good morning. Good morning to you as well. Good morning to you as well. Buen camino. Buen camino. Oh yeah. This is the last part of the hill.
I'm gonna train other part of the muscles.
You'll have lots of energy today, no?
Yeah.
Anyways, time to go up. Hey,
Hey,
Camino.
wink.
Wink, wink.
I cannot wait.
Make a wink. You,
Does it look natural?
You look like having a stroke, huh?
Let's try with the left.
You,
Even worse.
you're looking like having those lemons, you know? Say it, try it again, try it again.
With the right, it's
With the right, with the right, with the right. With the left, okay, better with the left. So everything have changed, pretty much. From going up and full of fog, now to a bit of a more muddy. Oh, this is something. Oh, go! It's waiting for you.
Should I go first?
You go first.
Okay.
Let's hope for the Hollywood scene. How would you approach this part of the Camino? She's experienced, as she knows. Finds a bit of the hard surface and then goes on the side, and then in 3 and 2 and 1, she's there. Baby, wink. You're a professional winker.
So we are already in Cornellana. We started from Grado. So today we're halfway.
Yes,
We're halfway.
we're halfway, exactly.
To where I don't know, because we don't know where we're gonna sleep. And behind this sign we have a 1,000 years old monastery.
Should
Shall
we?
we go and check it out?
Let's have a look. I don't think this is ours.
But there is, it looks like an arrow somehow.
I don't. I are over there.
Okay, I don't see it yet.
Me either, but
Piano, 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 piano.
okay.
Okay.
Maybe that's not the way.
Okay, okay,
What if that's
okay.
the way?
Wait. Let me see. Let me see if this is the way. No, this is another Camino. Maybe we can just knock at the person door and say, "Can you please take your dog?"
Hold on, let me see.
Maybe the dog is gonna go out from there, eh?
No, there you go. I don't know. I think this is the way. Can we double check this?
The dog is there.
Is he there?
Yeah, sitting.
Sitting, the dog is sitting. Ah, sitting. Okay. Should I call someone?
Yeah. I don't think it's threatening, but still.
Yeah, it's the hard fall, no? If we walk two of us, maybe.
So,
We try?
no.
As they say, don't judge the book by its cover. So it happened that we misjudged the way, and the dog, instead of an obstacle, was actually a guide to correct our path. But it took us extra 4 kilometers. And as we got lost and then it took us some time to go through the mud, we decided to call it a day in Salas. Let's see if there are any beds available.
And this is the Albergue, with the two arrows just on the side.
Hola. ¿Hay cama todavía? Welcome to the home for today. We have the kitchen with nice coffee for the morning, Nesquik,
Come, Sean.
all the goodies,
Like, for example, what?
the pancakes, cupcakes, Nesquik, cafe, cacao, tea. So many teas. We can do some tea tonight.
And what's inside of the fridge?
A
Wow.
lot of goodies for us. We have cheese. They left cheese for us.
Super.
Yeah. Let's go. I show you the room.
So this is like municipal albergue, no?
This is municipal albergue.
So you have a
8
kitchen.
euros per person. Now
And
where is the kitchen? You cannot cook.
the washing machine.
But they said here you have the kitchen. You can cook. Where?
Where can you cook?
Ah, there is a stove, so you can take it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh.
Now it's clear. It's clear.
And that's for washing.
Yeah. Some Italian are cooking carbonara tonight. I hope I will be invited. And this is our room.
Oh.
Where are you staying? There?
Probably there.
Okay. And then we are gonna touch hands. I will sleep.
Or maybe feet. Okay.
Okay.
That's the big room. 1, 2, 3, 4. For double, 8 people inside.
1, 2, 3, 4.
8 people. Okay.
And then we didn't see the showers yet.
Come, let's see the showers. There's another room. This is where you leave all the shoes and the sticks. As you can see, full house. And then
The showers.
the
Single
shower.
cabins.
Simple, simple. Okay. Super, men, women.
I'm gonna take a shower, guys. Yeah.
Anyway, let's do it.
This is your chance, huh? All I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe probably you could go
Okay,
on the
I'm
day.
gonna leave the backpack first.
Can I help you?
Wait, I'm on it. Careful. Wait.
Yeah. We'll take step by step. Don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry. All good.
Thank you.
Careful. It's up. It's up. It's up. It's up. Stay low. Stay low. Stay low. Stay.
Thank you for subscribing.